Discover a stunning property with breathtaking views, tranquil streams, a pond, and trout stocked creek. This home features large windows, an open floor plan, a partially finished basement, and multiple home sites. This is a lovely home and quiet area that is waiting for your personal touches. Home is on the forestry tax deferment plan and the timber was harvested in the 19s and may be ready for harvest again. That could be beneficial income for a new owner. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.